Hi everyone, Deb here. As you can see, I received my October paper pumpkin kit by Stampin' Up. Look at this beautiful box, and of course in my mail it was crunched a little bit, not terribly bad, but still. And it's called Home for the Holidays, October 2023. I have taken the outer shrink wrap off so that we can open it together. So let's see what's inside. Oh, we have a real red Stampin' Spot and a real red tissue. That'll come in handy. And a bottle of what looks like glitter glue. I'll have to read the instructions, so that's interesting. Yeah, like a clear, sparkly glitter glue. See the sparkles? Wow. Have I ever gotten that from Stampin' Up? I don't think so. I'm going to leave this sort of in the box here so we can see what it says. I know this says Merry Christmas, and this now is upside down. It says Happy Holidays. There's this little house with snow on the roof. Down here it says Celebrate the wonder and joy of this festive season. We have a little tree, another little tree, some snowflakes, and this I guess this could be all over snow if you wanted it to be. So that is the stamp set. I really like that. I like these fonts a lot for the Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. And even this one I like, Celebrate the wonder and joy of this festive season. I feel like I could use this stamp set more than just for this kit, for sure. For sure. That's not always true. Let me take this out of the way and pull this out of the box and put the box somewhere else and open the tissue. Oops, I just tore my tissue. I just tore it a little bit. It's not too bad. I can still use the tissue paper. Yay! Alright, let's open this together. This is just going to be an unboxing. I'm not going to make as intended on video because A, I'm short on time right this minute. And I just wanted to get this video done, and B, Stampin' Up always has, or Paper Pumpkin, always has a video on their website on how to make as intended. I like the colors of this with the blue and the red and the green so far. I'll tell you what the colors are. Let's see. Let's look at the back here. The colors are that it coordinates with, okay, it makes 8 cards and 8 envelopes. For some reason, I thought it was going to be tags or something. I don't know why. Maybe that was a new kit on their website. I'm not sure. The coordinating Stampin' Up colors are Balmy Blue, Cherry Cobbler, Crumb Cake, Crushed Curry, Daffodil Delight, Lemon Lolly, Mossy Meadow, Night of Navy, Old Olive, and Pecan Pie. Now, I find it interesting that it says Cherry Cobbler, but we got a real red Stampin' Spot. Wonder why that is. I don't know. Maybe they have the wrong color on here because they don't have real red listed. Anyway, here are the cards. I love these envelopes with the wreath, but it's looking like they don't have anything on the inside. We'll check. Looks like there are tree cut aparts, and the card maybe has the houses already on it, I'm thinking. Yeah, so let's dig in. We got a whole sheet of dimensionals, the regular size, yay. And yeah, here are some cut aparts of the houses. So, okay, so like you could put your sentiment down on top of these at the bottoms. And there's 2 different sets of them. And there's 4 of each, so 2 for each style card, I guess. And then, oops, nope, 3 of each. This is the wide one. So this is for the upright vertical A2. And they do have it, this one in back of the other, like that, actually. Okay, and then this is for the horizontal one. It already has the houses all on it, and you just put the trees, it looks like. So here are the envelopes. They are the same and they are all plain white inside. But that's really pretty, isn't it? I like that. And then the cards have to be two different ones. Yeah. Excuse me. So this is the vertical A2 size, plain white inside and back, and then this on the front. And then this is the horizontal with just the trees on. So these are going to be pretty easy to assemble. Like, these are the trees in the background. This is going to go in front of them. And then you can put your sentiment up here or down here. But they have some of these punch-out trees in the foreground here. But you can do it however you would like. So those are the two card bases. I'll be honest with you, I don't know how many alternatives I'll be able to do with this because there's no inside envelope. I'll do some, but yeah, I'm not sure. And then we got, so we got one sheet of these trees, some with stars on them and others not. And they appear to be in Mossy Meadow. What was the other color? Balmy Blues in there as well, and Old Olive, Mossy Meadow, and there's some yellow on here too, like Gold Garland. So I think that's Daffodil Delight, and this might be Crushed Curry or the other way around, I don't know, or Lemon Lolly and Daffodil Delight, not sure. And two sheets of different labels. These are long with both ends flagged. Excuse me. And oh, these are glittery snowy. Okay, so I think these go behind your labels. Like on here, I don't know if you can see, they have glittery stuff behind the labels. And maybe you can see it better on this one. That one up top. There we go. Okay. And on this one too. So that's what these are for. They just punch out, and they are flagged. They're flagged a little different. They are like that. Whereas these are flagged longer and flagged at both ends, like I just showed you in the picture. So you would stamp on here and then put it across like this for the cards as intended. And then we did get a few a little bit larger size glue dots. Sometimes we get small ones like this size, but these are a little bit bigger, which is good. Now we didn't get any twine or anything like that. We did get this glitter glue. See, they don't really tell you what you get anymore, but we definitely got this. So let's see, we'll test it on the cardboard. Yeah, it's clear with bright sparkles in it. I don't know if you can. You're not going to be able to see the sparkles in it, but I can. Maybe you can a little bit there. Okay, so that is the unboxing of the Home for the Holidays. It's definitely about the homes. I like being home for the holidays, and now home is my house. But I don't know what we're doing this year. Usually on Christmas morning, we go to my daughter's and watch my grandgirls open their gifts. They've usually already opened things from their parents and Santa. I'm not sure if the youngest still believes in Santa or not, but yeah. So anyway, they open the gifts from their parents, and then we exchange gifts too. Usually have breakfast and exchange gifts, but I don't know. Maybe we'll change things up this year. We shall see. Yeah, everything's changing. People are getting older, and my oldest granddaughter is now in her second year of college. I just can't believe that. Anyway, so I love the stamp set. That's my favorite part. Honestly. And I love that I don't have to stamp these houses and color them, because I probably wouldn't. Now I do have a house I can stamp, so if I do alternatives, it'll probably be using the stamp set more in some ways. Okay? Alright everyone, I hope you enjoyed, and if you are interested in Paper Pumpkin, I'm not affiliated with Stampin' Up! Or Paper Pumpkin anymore. I just like to do the kit. I am getting it through the end of the year, so I'll share an unboxing with you, and I try to do at least a few alternatives each month, and I'll share that with you as well. Let me know if you like this kit. Let me know your thoughts about it, and yeah, I look forward to working with it, and I'll see you again with alternatives. Bye for now. Hugs, love, and peace.